Welcome! In front of me I have Umidigi URUN watch, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Okay, now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. And to wake up the screen on your watch, you can press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the heart rate option. Tap on it and this should open the heart rate widget and your watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. And here we have the current heart rate. Basically the watch measures the heart rate in real time, so this number will jump around. But once it stabilizes, it's your current heart rate. Also, you have the statistics from the whole day right here, and the highest heart rate and the lowest one at some point. Okay, and once you're done measuring, you can press the upper button to go back, like this. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.